Okay, so here I'm going to present the topic of the smart homes. My name is Pratik Patel. Okay, I'm today presenting the smart home. So what is the table of the contents? So what is the smart homes? First we will talk about the smart home definition, how it is work, history of the smart home technology, the early innovation that contribute to the smart technology. What type of the technology is used in the smart home? We will discuss about also on that. Example of current products, components that make a smart home operational. Okay, so what is the smart home? So a smart home is a convenient home setup where applicants and the devices can be automatically controlled remotely from any internet connected place in the world using a mobile or any other internet devices like tablet, computer, anything. So here is I'll give the example. So like if we have a in every house we have a television, lights, curtains, everything. So what is the meaning of the smart home? So we will control this all the electronic devices with our mobile network. Like we can control our temperature, we can control our audio system and everything. How does it work? So anything in your home that use electricity can be put on the home network and at your command. Like you can say turn on the light, turn on the fan, turn off the fan. Whether you give that command by voice, remote control or computer, the home reacts. Smart home work with fairly simple systems, receiver and transmitter. Receivers detect a certain signal from the transmitter that issues a command. So here is the picture of the home smart home. You can see over that the home gadget like applicants control, smart thermostat, smart bathrooms, garage door, smart door lock, security system, smart air conditioner. So all this kind of electronic we can control by our mobile or tablet. Either we can stay on home or either we can out of the home. History of the smart home technology. The smart home's history can be easily traced back to the early turns of the century, where electrical and telephone wiring are installed in a new house. Integrated smart home infrastructure was usually built by hobbyists in the 1960s, but it wasn't until 1984 the term smart home was coined by the American Association of Home Builders www.escom.com. Type of the system X10, X-10, the oldest and most simplistic integrative home device was developed in the late 17th century. So this technology involved utilizing basic household wiring in order to enable household to become a synchronized smart. All the household applicants act as a receiver while the transmitter issue order in the numerical code. Home automation. You can see in the picture that the security alarm, monitoring control, automatic remote control, environment monitoring, window control, door control, lighting control. We can use in our daily life light, door, windows. And people are lazy to stand up to the turn of the light and turn up the curtains and everything. So here the smart home means we can control our like if you want to turn up your curtain, so you can just control by the smartphones, like you can just turn off the curtains by in your phone, tablet. You can control also TV, audio system, lighting, fans, air conditioner, heating system, everything you can control by your hand. Here is a video so that you can understand better. So I will show this video. You already seen the video that how the system works, like how the curtains turn off, how the lights off, how the lights on. So in the conclusion, keeping in mind that technology is rapidly changing, it is the important